from 8th class, Bhumija from 8th class. We are studying in SNK ZPHS MOVA. Today we are going to explain about smart charging station.
Problem statement: design a coin box based smart charging station for mobile device during emergencies. The system should allow users to charge their phones by inserting coins utilizing components like IR sensor, servo motor, Arduino and relays, integrating with a plug socket. How to find this problem? Identify the increasing needs for a mobile charging solution in public spaces and during emergencies where power sources are limited. Understand the importance of a self-sustainable system that enables user to charge the device with a user-friendly and cost-effective approach. Components used in this project: coin box to collect coins as a form of a payment for charging. IR sensor detects the presence of a users and signals the system to activate. Servo motor controls the opening and closing of the plug socket. Arduino board acts as the central processing unit, receiving signals from sensors and controlling the servo motor. Relay manages the power supply to the plug socket based on user authentication and coin insertion. Explanation: user interaction. The IR sensor detects when a user approaches, triggering the Arduino to activate the system. Coin collection: the coin box collects coin as payment for charging. Authentication: the Arduino processes the coin input and upon a successful authentication activates the relay. Servo motor operation: the servo motor controls the opening of the plug socket, allowing the users to connect their mobile device. Charging period: the charging station provides power to the plugged in device for a predetermined duration based on the value of coin inserted. User retrievable: after the charging period ends, the servo motor closes the plug socket and the system is ready for the next user. Summary: the smart charging station addresses the need for mobile charging during emergencies, offering a user friendly coin based payment system with components like IR sensor, servo motor, Arduino and relays. It efficiently manages user authentication, coin collection and device charging. This self-sustainable solution ensures a reliable and cost-effective way for users to charge their mobile devices in emergency situations.